Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you why you should always give feedback to YouTube videos, means like or dislike YouTube videos. YouTube works on machine learning algorithms which tells us which video should we watch next and should be on our own home screen. So how YouTube knows which videos should we watch and which type of content will be suitable for our home screen. Because YouTube works on machine learning algorithms, which you can see that it uses deep learning neural network to optimize for the user's expected watch time. It means it learns from our activities, which videos we usually watch and which we likes and which we don't like. So according to that, YouTube tunes our home screen and other next videos. So I'm logged in with my friend's 3 account, which one of them usually watch English songs. So you can see his uh, home screen is tuned for English songs, and he's recommended with English songs with amazing playlists and new songs. And one my friend only watch usually educational stuff, so his home screen is tuned for that stuff. You can see they are like all math etc programming. And one of my friend usually watches cartoon, so his home screen is tuned for cartoons. So you see, you should always give feedback to YouTube videos, means like or dislike that video, so you will get better recommendations for you. So thank you for watching video. That's all for this.